Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a Temu order that I just received not too long ago. Now I will say I did purchase these. I am no longer an affiliate with Temu. I stopped doing it because it was just getting stupid. Just to be terribly honest, it was. But I purchased these with my own money, which is pretty much what I was doing anyway, even as an affiliate. But I thought I would come on here and do an unbagging, or, you know, whatever y'all want to call it, to let you see what I have. So I am going to split this video into two parts, because if not, this will be an hour video and nobody wants to watch me do this for an hour. So, plus I have a miniature that I got off of there too. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and do the miniature, and then I'll just do a couple of the diamond paintings. And then we'll see how long we've been going. So, I gave $11.43 for this miniature, and it's called the Magic Shack. Now, this is like a $40 kit anywhere else. So, yeah, I grabbed it up. I got this stuff. I ordered it before the tariff thing went on there. So, I didn't have to pay, you know, the tariff fees. So, that was good. But I probably, well, ain't no probably about it, I will not be purchasing anything else from Temu, even though I had a cart full of stuff. But I'm not going to be purchasing anything until they lift this tariff thing, okay? It's just, you know, I'm not going to buy something and my actual total be, you know, $24, but the tariff thing is $36, and then in total I'll be paying, you know, $60-something for a $24 order. You can forget that. I ain't doing it. So, in this kit, it's going to have everything that I need to do this, except for probably glue. Not all kits come with the glue. If you're lucky, it does, but for the most part, it doesn't. But that's okay, because I get my glue at Hobby Lobby, and it's like $7 and something a bottle, and it's the 3-in-1 beacon glue. It's an alcohol-based glue, and y'all, I love it. I use it for the most, for putting everything, all the beads together, the plastics together, the wood together. That's what I use. If I'm doing paper, I'll use Elmer's glue. And then sometimes it comes with a little bottle of white glue. It's not Elmer's. It looks like Elmer's glue, but it's not. I don't remember what kind of glue it is, but it's like better than Elmer's glue. But yeah, for the most part, I use the 3-in-1, the Beacon's 3-in-1, and it adheres, like, bam. It's like, it's there. So that's what I like to do, because I hate to wait for any of this stuff to dry. So this is what it's going to look like. This is the instruction book. This is going to give me, for the first few pages, it's just the inventory of everything that is actually in the box. I didn't see. Yeah, I guess you're going to have to get your own glue. And a battery. So, alright, anyway. So, it's going to show you step by step. And it looks like it's just going to be pictures. So, you're just going to go by the pictures, which is fine. There's no words. But this is really cute. It's going to be really cute. And then this is going to show you how to make the little chandeliers and the lights. Y'all, I've been doing miniatures for about 3 years now. And I enjoy it. And it's not anything I thought that I would like. But after I did my very first miniature, I was hooked. I was addicted. And y'all know that my channel is mostly diamond painting. But I'm going to tell you, this is like right here with diamond painting with me. I love it. So here is a bag that has got my electrical components in it. It's got a piece of sandpaper so that, you know, if you have a little bit of a splintering or a rough piece of wood, you just take that sandpaper and, you know, sand it, smooth it right up. But I tell you something, I've got a big old bag of this sandpaper because I don't use them. What I use are emery boards. The little bitty emery boards, I got a big old pack of them from Amazon. And they didn't cost me hardly anything. And they're about this long. And they are just perfect for getting into like little places. But yeah, so there's all of like this has got my paper, this is gonna be my flowers. And just to be honest with you, depending on how hard this is gonna be to do the flowers, I tell you what I do. I go to the Dollar Tree and I buy their fake flowers. Any flowers that has got, or any of their little bundles of flowers that have got tiny flowers, I buy them and then I snip those flowers off and then I glue them in the pots. It's so much easier, especially if they're wanting you to make paper flowers. Y'all, my hands are just too fat for all that. So I cheat and I go to the store and I buy the fake flowers. And I honestly, I don't remember who I was watching, because I do watch a few people do miniatures, but I don't remember who it was that I was watching, and they said that that's what they were doing. So then I went and did it. So here's your parts. And as you see, everything is numbered, lettered. So that's how you're going to know what to do. The boys are going to start barking. My dad just went by. You heard the horn blow. I got my windows open and my dad just drove by honking. But yeah, so all of your pieces are right here. And like I said, everything is labeled. So in the book, it's going to say go find, what is this, D? Yeah, it's going to say go find D, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Glue those pieces together. What you don't want to do is when you get one of these kits, come through here and just start taking all these things apart. No. Do not do that because you will be crying. Because when it comes to putting everything together, you're not going to know D from E. Okay, so here is your sheet of it's like a template. Or well, I guess it's not a template. You're going to cut these out. And then you're going to bend them, fold them, glue them, and it's going to make like your books, your paintings. Sorry, I started coughing. Y'all, I've been doing videos all day. I do Amazon. I'm an Amazon affiliate, and they send me stuff to do reviews on. The boys are shaking the camera. Sorry about that. But anyway, they send me stuff to do reviews on. And so I have been doing Amazon reviews. That's what y'all are going to see. When it says on their Amazon reviews, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing review videos for the Amazon affiliate program. That's why my beginning of the video, I'm not like, hey, this is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. Because it's supposed to be, you know, I'm not supposed to do that. So I don't. Alright, so I gave $2.75 for this little canvas. Alright. And it is a partial, little special shaped partial. But I thought she was adorable. Hopefully y'all can see, because I'm sitting in my chair. Like I said, I've been doing videos all day. My voice is about shot, and my back was killing me from standing up. So I had to sit down. So this is just a little 30 by 30. And she has got a legend on both sides. Has your standard toolkit. And then your crystals. And special shape drills. Let's see what they look like. So I hope y'all can see. My lighting's not that bad. I don't even have a light on. I'm just using the light from my windows. And it's kind of overcast today. Those are pretty. Those are almost like stars. So yeah, it's supposed to start raining here in the next hour or so. So it started off, the day started off sunny, but we're supposed to be getting more rain. I'll be glad. I don't want a drought, but good Lord, I'll be glad when it quits all this raining. So here she is. But I just thought she was adorable. You got the apple trees on the sides, and she's in her little swing, rainbow. I used to have a swing like that when I was a kid. Just a rope swing with a board. Sure did. But I thought she was cute. And let's see. We'll just do another one. And then I'm going to do these last 4 in a different video. So I hope everybody's having a good day, good week. Oh, I guess I could tell you, I gave $3.69 for this one. So what is everybody up to? Y'all. Isn't she pretty? Standard toolkit. And she is another partial. But y'all, I hope everybody had a good time with my event. But I ain't even gonna lie, I'm really kind of glad it's over. That was some work, y'all. That was some work. But I had fun. I had fun doing it. And now I'm doing Laura's. I've already done one canvas, that little bitty teeny tiny cheeseburger. And now I'm fixing to start the coffee. And then I'm also doing Wendy's. So I'm also doing a little Boston Terrier canvas that's drinking a milkshake. So I thought it was cute. Alright, so this is a 30 by 40. This is a special partial, 16 colors. There is a legend, key, schematic, whatever you want to call it. There's one on both sides. And here are the crystals. I hope y'all can see it. Y'all hear the boys. They're bored. I've been doing videos all day and I ain't paid enough attention to them. So now they're going to start getting into stuff. That look cute. So that's what happens when mama is not paying attention. They start getting into trouble. They entertain themselves and I'll find one of their toys will be messed up, or couch cushion in the floor when I go back in there. They're always up to something. So I thought she was really pretty and I really like the colors. It's pretty sticky. So yeah. So I'll leave this stuff, if it's still available, I will leave a link to these in my description box. But y'all, if you're anything like me, you're probably not going to buy anything from them until they lift that tariff thing anyway. But, you know, you can still look. You can still fill your shopping cart up. By golly, mine is full. Mine is like full. I've got way too much stuff in mine. So, alright. That's all I got. And I'm going to stop here. And then I'm going to start a new video. And do these last 4. And then I'm going to label my drills. And put these in my portfolios. So that they can start flattening out. So, until my next video, which will be in about 5 minutes, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.